A just heartbreaking testimony in day 2 of the trial of a woman suing the police for framing her for murder. Thanks for staying with us here at 6:30. I'm Heather Mills.
And I'm Brian Loftus. That woman spent some 16 years in prison. And now, as 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne tells us, she's going after the detectives she says are responsible.
In her second day on the stand in tears, Kirsten Lobato told a federal jury what it was like to be convicted twice of a murder she didn't commit and spending her entire adult life in prison to that point until she was finally set free.
You want to transport locally?
If it's just for a status check,
A young Kirsten Lobato talking with one of the many Clark County District Court judges who were involved one way or another in her 2 convictions for killing this homeless man, Duran Bailey, in 2001.
Are you kidding me?
She was finally exonerated in 2018, and in 2024, the state courts declared her innocent, which does not happen to most defendants. Back when she was 18, she gave this 27-minute interview, and today the jury heard the entire recording and saw this transcript, during which police grilled her about Duran's murder, but she claims she thought the 2 detectives she's suing for intentional infliction of emotional distress were talking about a different attack, one several weeks prior where she got away, but not before taking a knife from her miniskirt pocket and slashing at that man's groin. The major similarity being Duran's penis was severed, but he was also brutally beaten and his body dragged behind a dumpster. Lobato saying she told cops it happened at a Budget Suites near Nellis and Boulder Highway, and the cops indicating she said it was on Flamingo, one of a handful of items Lobato said she never said, like that she, quote, snapped, and that she cut her attacker's penis off. Those were not on the transcript or the recording. They were listed in the detective's reports. The detective's attorney cross-examining Lobato, trying to underscore that Lobato never told police her attack happened in May, when Bailey's murder was in early July, when Lobato was staying with family 2.5 hours away from the crime scene. One item of note, on Monday, the lawyer selected 8 jurors to sit through this trial. 6 of them would deliberate, and 6 of them still will. But the federal judge in this case excused one of those original 8 jurors for what he called an emergency. Reporting at the federal courthouse in downtown Las Vegas, Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
The trial expected to last until Friday, possibly Monday. After Lobato's testimony, the jury will hear from both of the detectives who are on trial.